Welcome to Quick Tips and Tricks Val's Kitchen.
So today we have come up in this kitchen potato chops. It is like Goan potato chops. These are the potatoes which are boiled in 6 whistles. They are around 6 potatoes boiled in pressure cooker, and then I have mashed it, and then my daughter added all the flavors in it, like she added some salt, some mixed herbs, and some chili powder, pepper powder. So this is like she has given a flavor, but if you don't want to add anything, then you don't have to add, but we wanted this flavor. So these are the potatoes which are mashed. Then I have taken some chicken mince, which is with green peas. So whichever non-veg you want to use, you can use prawns chili fry in it, you can use chicken chili fry in it, you can stuff like any meat or chili fry, whatever you want, like mince. I have taken chicken mince, so you can take beef mince also. Then this is my around 3 tablespoons of white flour. Again, I have flavored it with salt and a little bit chili powder and little bit coriander powder. If you don't want, please do not flavor it. Then I have taken 1 egg, beaten it, and then some semolina will be the last coating. So let's start. I will show you how to do it. So take this much quantity. I'm making small one, so very small I'm making. Now if you want to fry this plain, you can also fry this plain with all this coating. So first I will show you the plain one. So first thing, it will go to the flour. Then it will be in the egg, dip in the egg, and then it will go in your semolina. So this is the plain one, if anybody wants plain one. So here it goes. So I will keep this here. Then now next one I will show you with stuffing the mince or whatever stuffing you have, whatever. Just make this like this. And then you add this in this. We say it chicken chops or beef chops, so we call it, but I think so over there you all say it patties, or you all say even burger for this. So here it goes, and then you try to get it together. And then you here. So this is done. So same procedure. First it goes in the flour. So keep your left hand dry. Then dip this here in the egg. And then it goes in the semolina. You can use also breadcrumbs, but the chops, they taste well in semolina. So this is
nicely done. So this way you do it, and then you have to fry this in a shallow fry. I will show you that. So same way, frying procedure is same way how you fry the fish and all. Let the oil be very hot. You can have it in bread, you can have it with rice and plain curry, and you can just have it for breakfast or your burger bread. If you flavor your potato, then the chops are more tasty. And it's very easy. It's not that it is difficult. It's very easy. The oil is hot, so here it goes. In Goa it is very famous, and we all love this dish. The mince is cooked, the potatoes are cooked, only we have to see that our semolina is nicely fried, and we have to turn it. It's raining here. So now we will turn this very slowly here. Can you see the color is changed? Nice golden crispy color. And so this one was the plain one, and this is with all stuff. So yeah, enjoy this and do let me know how did you enjoy this potato chops. We call it potato chops, chicken potato chops, and as I have mentioned you can add whatever you want in the stuffing. You can add mushrooms, you can add mixed vegetable, you can add anything. I think so you all say also patties. So yeah, and you can add boiled potato also, and you can make it plain also. Thank you so much for watching my cooking videos, and I'm also enjoying. Thank you.